This is some contour tree felling right next to the diversion. This is stair steps, so the water kind of meanders. It hits this log first, bounces, deposits sediment, and there's some vegetation, western wheat, and then basically a ping pong ball hits this one. You see all the sediment it caught there, and then it goes down, slows down, gently comes around here, and then it hits this one. So basically just trying to slow down the water so it don't rush down. You can see all the western wheatgrass grown. They seeded all this after they did the contour tree felling. And you can see the rest of the structures. Looks a little nice. And then looking upstream, looks real nice. And then there's our diversion. You can hardly even see it because it wedged in so well.